For LEED projects with on-site food gardens, establishing pollinator habitat or installing managed hives transforms food production from symbolic gesture to actually a functioning system. Projects can strategically integrate pollinator gardens and food production areas to achieve both habitat restoration and local food production goals through thoughtful site planning. Native flowering plants established in pollinator gardens provide abundant nectar and high-quality pollen for bees, while those same bees also pollinate nearby food crops, creating mutually beneficial relationships. This ecological synergy demonstrates the interconnected thinking and integrated design that LEED explicitly encourages. A project might dedicate 30% of total vegetated site area to combined habitat and food production, 15% designated as pollinator garden, featuring diverse native flowering plants, and an adjacent 15% allocated to productive food gardens with pollinator-dependent crops like squash, tomatoes, and berries. While LEED credit requirements should be reviewed carefully to ensure each area counts appropriately, this integrated approach allows projects to pursue both habitat restoration and local food production goals through efficient multi-benefit design.